Happy NYSE Day, BBT fam. Today was really strange. This is all NYSE on our watch list. I think there might have been one NASDAQ, which was Facebook, and that was pretty disgusting. SPY was doing kind of a slow motion roller coaster. It was doing little ABCD waves or sine waves, whatever. So anyways, I brought up Intel on the pre-market because I like to trade Intel. I wanted to have a slow and predictable day. I didn't want to get caught up in any of that NYSE chop. A lot of expensive stocks too. Anyway, so Intel on the opening candle was a little bit wicky, but it was still pretty small. It was like 50 cents. Saw it close right at VWAP. I looked at the 1 minute chart. I said, okay, this is doing an ABCD on the 1 minute chart, and it coincided with a 5 minute orb. So I went long there, put my stop probably about 5-10 cents below VWAP, something like that. And then I caught this pop. There was a daily moving average at 53.30. Some sort of daily moving average. So as soon as we got close to there, I just took some off because I knew we were it's gonna be resistance, right? And then it started trending down, making lower lows. This is very similar to the trade I took on it last week. I said, okay, it's probably gonna find some support at VWAP, kind of mirroring SPY at this point too. And I just held through it, and then it did an ABCD on the 5 minute chart here, and went the other way. Got to that moving average again. This time I took most of it off because I knew it was really no catalyst. It was kind of just mirroring SPY, and it probably wasn't going to get any higher than that. And then it started sloping and just keeling over here. I put my stop at break even for the small amount of shares I had left and just forgot about the trade. And I got stopped out there, and then it just flushed with the rest of SPY during that huge sell-off we saw. Anyways, that's Intel. Pretty decent trade. And then WHR. WHR today was the graveyard of reversal takers. There was so many traps, so many bull traps. There was this one here, looked like a good hammer, 5 minute high, boom, flushed. This one here, little doji, new 5 minute high, flushed. This one looked like it was putting in some sort of a triple bottom, boom, flush. And as I was saying in my previous videos, one of my previous videos, that take a look at the 15 minute chart, because sometimes, or most of the time, reversals just don't happen out of nowhere. They don't happen in the middle of this huge red candle like this, right? If it's painting a huge red candle on the 15, it's very unlikely that it's just going to reverse out of nowhere, right? So I watched that, and I really wanted to get revenge on this thing. My cutoff is 11, right? That's when I stopped trading. But I made it my goal today to seek revenge on this stock for fooling so many of our members, and especially Andrew, right? So I saw it putting in this bottom here at 128.50, and this was a daily level. This is, I think, some sort of low from February of 2016. And it's tested it a few times. It was showing strong support there, right? So I said, okay, I'm going to wait for this thing to make a new 5 minute high, and then we'll see what it does, right? Made a new 5 minute high. That wasn't enough for me. I wanted to see it make a new 15 minute high. As soon as it did that, boom, I went long. A bunch of other people joined me on this trade, JT, Jared, and some other folks. And then we just caught this pop. Took some off on all the pops here, and then it started making lower lows and lower highs. I didn't like that. I just got up the rest out there. Anyways, it was doing this boot thing. I've mentioned this before. This is the booty reversal. Canada's booty reversal. It was doing that, and then it broke out once it got the new 5 minute high there. I think JT still had some shares left. He was on part of this wave. It tried to do it again, and I was saying this in the chat. It might pop to VWAP, right? But that was just another trap. This thing is just not trustworthy today. It's NYSE, it's expensive, the volume's dying, and I don't trust it. Anyways, that's my recap, and thanks for watching.